This is about my family. This is about my family. We have to handle this on our own.
Anissa, I'm not a child.
Grace, sometimes you are.
Oh, low blow.
No, I'm just saying.
I've managed to survive most people's worst nightmares. Besides, I'm pretty sure the one and only time we fought, you got your ass kicked.
Oh, woman, please. Please do not get too far ahead of yourself, okay? The last time we fought, I didn't want to beat down an old man. I didn't even use my powers. This conversation is over and done. You're not going. Oh, what the hell is wrong with you?
No blood, no powers.
Okay. Just make sure you leave the leopard out of this.
What, is Thunder afraid of a little pussycat?
Yeah. Come on. Look, all I'm trying to say is I love you, and I would be devastated if something were to happen to you because of me. This is my fight.
Your fight is my fight, babe.
Oh, that's very nice of you to say, but this is very dangerous. People might die, and I don't want that to be you.
It won't be me. I'm going.
Okay. And I thought you said no powers. Yeah, okay.